and he's in the water going spearfishing for carp. And I'm just gonna hang out on the boat and see if I can get a hit on this bobber. He's hooked him. Not hooked him, speared him.
No.
Came out.
Came off. Oh my goodness. Look at that scale.
It didn't go through the scale, did it? That's the tough thing on them. Well, keep trying.
Look at that scale.
Hey, if you can shoot it from a little bit behind, like a chicken feather to get up under the scales, that might even be better.
Yeah.
Getting ready to grill on the boat. Nice evening up here on Nantahala. This is how you eat on the boat right here. Mm-hmm. And they're ready to come off. Look at that. It's so good. Oh yeah. Hey Bubby, had any bites?
I don't think so.
Just biting on the steak and corn, right? Nice evening, ain't it?
Yeah, it's beautiful out here.